How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another video. In this video I will be installing a part that was sent to me by Lasfit, so stay tuned. I'll show you guys what it is right here. So if you guys didn't already know, Lasfit is a sponsor of mine and they're sponsoring this video as well. And this is going to be a phone holder for your car, but it has wireless charging capabilities. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and if you guys are interested in Lasfit, anything from Lasfit, I have a link in the description below, and you guys can use my code for 15% off anything off their site. Alright, so this mount right here is made specifically for the Honda Civic that my brother has. This one right here will go where the hazard button goes. So it comes with the mount here, a USB-C Type-C cable, and in case you don't want to use a mount or the vent over there, it has one for the windshield or for the vent one right here. You just clip it on, I guess. But yeah, there are options in case you don't have the car and you don't want to use the piece right here. But I'll go ahead and show you guys how I will be installing it, and it will look way better than the original one that he has on his car right now. Alright, so I am in his car right now, and let me show you his current setup right here. So he has his phone holder over here at this vent right here, and then he has this cord coming out from the cigarette lighter down there, coming up a little hole here. And he could pull it out more, but then the cord will probably be all the way under here to charge his phone, but he probably just charges it, leaves it here. So this mount here will help with that. So I'm going to go ahead and install this and then show you guys the final product. So I had originally shot my outro already, but I was messaged from one of the people over at Lasfit, and they're, instead of giving me 15% off to you guys, they're giving me 20% off with the code. As long as you guys just go ahead and just use the link below. They wanted me to tell you guys that the phone holder here is a new product, and the only place that you can get it right now is Amazon. So I'll go ahead and leave the link to the phone holder in the description below, so that you guys can go ahead and cop that. Again, it's not 15% this time, it is 20% off of this phone holder. But yeah, I just want to just go ahead and update my outro here. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to enjoy life and go slow.